Once upon a time, in a bright green forest, there lived a little bird named Chirpy. Chirpy was small, but her heart was full of kindness. One sunny morning, Chirpy heard a soft cry. She looked down and saw a tiny squirrel stuck under a fallen leaf. "Don't worry, I will help you," Chirpy said. She flapped her tiny wings and pushed the leaf little by little. The squirrel came out and smiled. "Thank you, Chirpy. You saved me." Later that day, Chirpy felt tired. She tried to fly home, but the wind was too strong. Suddenly, the same little squirrel came running with his friends. "Come on, we will help you," they said. Together, they created a small leaf shield and walked Chirpy safely home. Chirpy smiled and said, "Helping others always brings help back." And from that day, all the forest animals helped each other happily. Moral of the story: kindness always returns to you. Helping others makes the world a beautiful place.